What is scientific method? Here are the steps of scientific method. First, make an observation. Look around you. Take down some notes of all the things that you found. Then ask a simple question based on your observation. Then formulate a hypothesis, a tentative answer to your question. Conduct an experiment to test your hypothesis. Analyze the result. Draw conclusions from the result. Decide if you want to accept the hypothesis or not. And the most important, communicate the result. Share what you have learned. Still have a problem?
Yes!
Scientific method is your answer.